This video covers the essential calculus topics for success in AI and machine learning. First, we have limits, which is the foundation of derivatives and continuity, and helps define how models behave smoothly. Derivatives are the most important topic, representing the rate of change or slope of a function. They are core to optimization and used in gradient descent to minimize loss functions. Next, partial derivatives involve taking a derivative with respect to one variable while keeping others constant. This is crucial as real ML models have many variables. They are used in neural networks for weight updates and in computing gradients in high dimensions. Gradients are vectors of partial derivatives and indicate the direction of steepest increase. In AI, models use the negative gradient to minimize error. The chain rule is very important, as it is the derivative of composite functions. In AI, it is used in backpropagation, which allows the training of deep neural networks. Integrals, while a basic understanding is enough, represent the area under the curve. They are related to probability and used in probability distributions to help understand expectations. Multivariable calculus is the calculus of multiple inputs, which is necessary because real datasets have many features. It is used in optimization and helps us understand loss surfaces. Finally, optimization techniques are methods to find minimum or maximum values. Since AI is about minimizing error, key techniques include gradient descent, stochastic gradient descent, and the atom optimizer. Taylor series are optional but powerful. They are used for approximating functions using polynomials. In AI, they help understand optimization behavior and are used in advanced algorithms. If you are short on time, focus on derivatives, partial derivatives, gradients, the chain rule, and basic optimization. However, all topics in this video will help you understand the concepts more deeply. Learning AI and ML can feel overwhelming, but showing up every day is what matters. Confusion and doubt are signs you are pushing your limits. Stay consistent, be patient, and keep building, because effort eventually turns into skill.